Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome back to our IT section. Standard 1st, Chapter 4, Uses of a Computer. So students, in previous chapter, we had learned about the keyboard, different types of keys. So today we are going to learn uses of a computer. Students, tell me the different types of machines and their uses that are used at your home. Yes, first is a fan. Fan will get pleasant and cool air. Second, mobile. We can communicate with our relatives or friends. Third, washing machine. We can wash our clothes. Fourth, television. We can watch movies, cartoons, etc. Fifth, mixer grinder. We can grind and chop harder foods. Sixth, refrigerator. A refrigerator to keep things cool and fresh. These all are the machines only do one thing. Similarly, a computer is also machine, but it can do many different things. A computer is a versatile machine. Do you know the meaning of versatile? Yes, a versatile means a machine which is used for various purposes. It means different purposes. Computer our work become easy and fast-paced. With the help of computer, our time will be reduced. It saves our time and energy. So let us learn some of the uses of computer. In that, we will see where the computers are used. So students, tell me, what is the girl doing in this picture? Yes, right. A girl is doing a drawing on computer. So students, do you like to draw and paint? Yes. So when you want to draw or color, you have to get paper, pencils, markers, crayons. Yes. So in computer, it is very easy. You can draw and color anything you want on a computer. We can draw and paint using a computer. Next, so students, tell me, what is the boy playing in this picture? Yes, right. A boy is playing games on computer. So students, do you like to play games on the computer? Yes. Car race or puzzles, robots or aliens. Computer can keep you entertained all day. With games, we can play different games using a computer. Next, so students, what is the boy listening on this picture? Yes, right. A boy listening music on a computer. So students, do you like listen to songs on a computer? Yes. You listen to music on a music system or the radio. A computer can also play music. We can play songs and listen to music on a computer. So students, do you like to watch movies? Yes, movies and cartoons can be enjoyed not only on the TV but a computer too. We can also watch cartoons and movies on a computer. Students, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a calculator. Now tell me, which thing is used for the calculation? Yes, calculator. So students, we don't need a calculator when we have a computer. A computer can be used to solve sums. Students, how we can remember everything? Yes, because we have a brain. Similarly, the computer also has a memory. It can store many things. We can store letters, drawings, paintings, songs, movies, etc. on a computer. Students, how do you talk to long distance relatives or friends? Yes, you can send messages. Yes, whether it is a letter to a friend, an English essay, or an application, instead of using a pen and paper. But on computer, we can send mails to friends, family, instead of writing letters or talking on the telephone. These are computer do many things. A computer complete all tasks with speed, continuous working and accuracy. First is a speed. A computer is one of the greatest machine created by man. It has now become a very important part of our life. You can think for the moment, without computer, what happened? Yes, we have to do the calculations on a paper. There may be no accuracy as we are getting from the computer. But it cannot work on its own. Computer can work very fast. It can perform large number of calculation in seconds. As we see, computer works fastest and it does the calculations in a seconds. Second, continuous working. The computer does not get tired or require food while doing many jobs. Yes, as it is a machine, it can't be tired. It can work for longer hours. Man gets tired if he works for longer hours. If a man is doing the same thing again and again, what happens? Yes, right. The man become tired or he become bored. A computer does not get bored of repeating the same work many times. Computer as a machine, it won't have the future of bore. And last, accuracy. The computer rarely makes mistakes like us. A computer does not make mistakes if the instructions given by us are correct.
If you are giving the wrong information,
The computer, you will get the wrong output. So that instructions should be correct. Man can make mistakes. As a human being, we can make mistakes. But computer as a machine, it will follow only your instructions. It can't make any mistakes. Therefore, after studying the functions of a computer, it can be stated that is a reliable, accuracy, fast.
the reliable
Means the output produced by a computer is a reliable. Next, accuracy. If correct data has been given to the computer, it gives accurate results. It does not make any mistake. Next, fast. A computer is a very fastest machine. A computer has the ability to perform complex activities. It means difficult activities like processing data and calculating large numbers quickly. And computer is very useful machine for various purposes. So students, everyone have understood this chapter? So tell me the some uses of computer. Yes, first is a drawing. Second, games. Third, music. Fourth, movies. Fifth, calculation. Sixth, storage. And seven, communication. Very good. So students, I hope everyone have understood this chapter, uses of a computer. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.